Hi friends, good morning. Today let us do some more problems in ellipse with the center H comma K type problems. Till yesterday we discussed the problems where the center is 0, 0. And today let us do some more problems with center H comma K. We know the things related to the center 0, 0. We know that is the coordinates of vertices and the coordinates of foci and the equations of the directrices. All these things we know. Length of the latus rectum. All these things we know. Where the center is 0, 0. Now today let us see the problems with the center H comma K. Center H comma K type problems. That is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 type problems. Okay friends, how to find the center, how to find the center and the vertices and foci and directrices and co-vertices, etc., etc. Okay friends, let us take up the first problem. X minus 3 whole square by 16, x minus 3 whole square by 16 plus y plus 1 whole square by 4, y plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. This is the equation of the ellipse with the center H comma K. The center H comma K. What are to be found? Vertices and co-vertices and foci, etc. Let us find to this. Okay friends. So if this is written in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1, then the center is 3 comma minus 1. First thing, center is 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. This is first thing. And the second thing is vertices. Vertices. For x square by a square plus y square by b square, the center is known. That is minus a comma 0, a comma 0. Vertices are the endpoints of major axis. Here a greater than b. This is this type of ellipse. So a greater than b. For a greater than b ellipse, the endpoints are minus a 0, a 0. So let us find the vertices. See friends, minus a comma 0 and a comma 0 are the vertices of major axis. In case of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here the center is 3 comma minus 1. So we have to add the vertices of the center. That's all. So minus a original minus a square post 16 a 4 minus a comma 0 minus a comma 0 are the vertices of the first center. Vertices of the ellipse where the center is 0, 0. Now the center is 3 comma minus 1. So let us add 3 comma minus 1. Let us add 3 comma minus 1. So minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, 0 comma minus 1 minus 1. 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 1 minus 1. So the vertices are minus 1 comma minus 1 and 7 comma minus 1. 7 comma minus 1. These are the vertices. Very easy friends. Very easy friends. So, and the third thing, let us find the foci. For x square by a square plus y square by b square, what are the foci? A comma 0 minus a comma 0. A comma 0 minus a comma 0. Here a means c. C is equal to root of a square minus b square. So the foci of the ellipse where the center is h comma k is c comma 0 and minus c comma 0, where c is root of a square minus b square. So root of a square minus b square, root of 16 minus 4, c is equal to root of 16 minus 4, 12. 12 means 4 is taken out, 2 root 3. 2 root 3 is c. So 2 root 3 comma 0 minus 2 root 3 comma 0 are the vertices are the coordinates of foci. Where the center is 0, 0. Now what is the center? 3 comma minus 1. Let us add this. 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. So 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 1 is 1 focus. 3 minus 2 root 3. 3 minus root 3 minus 1 is the another vertex of another coordinates of another focus. So this is first focus, this is the second focus. These are the coordinates of two foci. Okay friends, so we have to remember the coordinates of x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and then by adding the center we get the vertices of the HK format. Okay friends, this is the first problem. Center, vertex and foci. Okay friends, let us take up the second problem. Here AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0, nothing but here C is AE minus AE, where C is equal to root of a square minus b square. So we have to find C value. And by substituting C value here, we get the coordinates. And after this, we have to add the center. And let us take up another problem. See, x minus 2 whole square by 9. Same problem friends, just for practice sake I am doing this. X minus 2 whole square by 9 plus y minus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. X minus 2 whole square by 9 plus y minus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. So what is the center friends? This is x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square. Center is known. Center is 2, 1. H2, K1. Center 2, 1. Then vertices. For normal ellipse, where center is 0, 0. the vertices are minus a comma 0, a comma 0. A is 3. A is 3. So minus 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0. And we have to add the center to this. We have to add center to this. 2, 1, 2, 1. On adding, we get the vertices. Vertices of the given ellipse. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 1. 0 plus 1. 1. 3 plus 2. 5. 0 plus 1. 1. So these are the vertices. These are the vertices. And foci. Foci we know. Foci we know. C comma 0. C comma 0. Minus C comma 0. Where C is equal to root of a square minus b square. C is equal to root of a square minus b square. 9 minus 4. That is equal to root 5. Root 5. So root 5 comma 0 minus root 5 comma 0. We have to add center to this. 2, 1, 2, 1. So 2 plus root 5 comma 1 is one focus. 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5 comma 1 is another focus. Another focus. These are the coordinates of foci. These are the coordinates of foci. So most of the times you will be asked the center not asked, vertices and foci. Vertices and foci. And co-vertices. Co-vertices are the midpoints of minor axis. Co-vertices are the midpoints of minor axis. Minor axis coordinates we know, friends. See 0 comma b, 0 comma b, 0 comma minus b. These are the vertices of minor axis. Minor axis 0b, 0b, 0 minus b. 0b, 0 minus b. So 0b, what is b, friends? 0, 2. These are co-vertices, friends. Co-vertices. 0 b, 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. So now we have to add the center to this. 2, 1, 2, 1. And the final vertices, co-vertices are 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. And here 2 minus 1. These are the co-vertices of the given ellipse. Okay, friends, shall do one more problem. Okay, friends, let us take up this problem. The given equation of the ellipse. Given equation of the ellipse. X square plus 4y square plus 2x plus 16y plus 13 is equal to 0. Find the length of the lattice rectum. Find the length of the lattice rectum and equation of the lattice rectum of this ellipse. So this is the equation of the ellipse. We have to find the length of the lattice rectum and equation of the lattice rectum. Friends, you know what is the length of the lattice rectum for our standard ellipse with 0, 0 origin? 2b square by a. 2b square by a is the length of the lattice rectum. Now we have to add the center. And we know the equation of the lattice rectum. Lattice rectum equation. X is equal to plus or minus AE. X is equal to plus or minus AE is the equation of the lattice rectum. Okay, friends. So now let us do here. AE means C. So First, let us rewrite the given ellipse equation in our normal form. This is x square plus 2x. X square plus 2x plus 1. We are adding 1. And we subtract minus 1 also later. This becomes x plus 1 whole square. Next 4y square plus 16y plus 4. We have added 4 because this becomes 4y plus 2 whole square. What to be added? How do we know? This is 2ab term. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is 2ab term. What is 2ab? 2ab is equal to 16y. 2 into a, 2y whole square. 2y into b is equal to 16y. Y gets cancelled. 2 2's 4, 4 4's. B is equal to 4. So 16 to be added. B square is to be added. So b square is equal to 16. Like this, we know what to be added. To make it a perfect square. The given middle term is 2ab term. 2ab is equal to 16y. 2 into a 2y whole square. A 2y into b is equal to 16y. Y cancel. 2 2's 4, 4 4's. B is equal to 4. B square is equal to 16. So we have to add 16. So this is equal to minus that, or we have added plus 1. So we have to do minus 1. We have added plus 16. We have to do minus 17 plus 13 is equal to 0 plus 16. So now the given equation reduces to, see, okay friends, shall I erase this? Okay. This is x plus 1 whole square. This is x plus 1 whole square plus, this is we take 4 out, y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 17 plus 13 minus 4 is equal to 4. X plus 1 whole square plus 4 into y plus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So let us divide by 4. Then the equation reduces to x plus 1 whole square by 4 plus, by dividing 4 gets cancelled, y plus 2 whole square by 1 is equal to 1. Okay friends, this is the reduced our required form of the equation. So after doing this, things are normal. What is the center friends? X minus of minus 1 whole square. This is x minus of minus 1 whole square by 4 plus y minus of minus 2 whole square by 1 is equal to 1. So friends, center, what is the center? Center is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. Center minus 1 comma minus 2. And we have to find the length of the lattice rectum. Other things we have seen in the previous problems, vertex, vertices, foci, and as done in the previous problem. Now we are finding the length of the lattice rectum. What is the length of the lattice rectum? Length of the lattice rectum is equal to 2b square by a for normal ellipse. Now we have to add this center. So 2b square by a. 2 into b square. B square is 1 by a is 2. 2 by 2. This is equal to 1. So length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a, that is equal to 1. After this, we have to find the equation of the lattice rectum. Equation of the lattice rectum, x is equal to plus or minus c. There our standard form, x is equal to plus or minus a. This lattice rectum is x is equal to plus or minus a. This is equal to x is equal to minus a. That is x is equal to plus a. This is equal to x is equal to minus a. So for normal ellipse, x is equal to plus or minus a. Plus or minus a, that is equal to plus or minus c. X is equal to plus or minus c. So now we have x is equal to c is equal to, now c is equal to root of a square minus b square. 4 minus 1, that is equal to root 3. 4 minus 1 root 3. C is equal to root 3. So x is equal to plus or minus root 3. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. Now we have to add the center. X is equal to plus or minus a. X is equal to plus or minus minus 1. Sorry. Minus 1 plus or minus root 3. You have to add only the x coordinate. So minus 1 plus root 3. That is root 3 minus 1. X is equal to root 3 minus 1. Or minus root 3 minus 1. Minus root 3 minus 1. These are the, this one. Minus 1 plus or minus root 3 are the equations of lattice rectum. Okay friends, this is how to do in case of the equation is given like this. Okay friends, let us do one more problem. Twenty-five into x minus 3 whole square. 25 into x minus 3 whole square. 25 into x minus 3 whole square. Okay friends, let us continue this problem. Power failure. 25 into x minus 3 whole square plus 4 into y minus 1 whole square plus 4 into y minus 1 whole square is equal to 100. We have to find the center and the foci. Okay friends, this is just a slightly different problem. See, by dividing with 100, x minus 3 whole square by 4, 25 fours, plus y minus 1 whole square by 25 is equal to 1. This is here this is second type of ellipse, that is vertical ellipse. This is a vertical ellipse because A less than B type. So for that the equation is x minus h whole square by b square plus y minus k whole square by a square, because this is less than this. So x minus h whole square by b square plus y minus k whole square by a square is equal to 1. Just a and b just interchanges. That is the only thing happens when this is less. A and b interchanges. This becomes A, this becomes B. In our solving our problems, we consider in such a way, because the major axis is this and the minor axis is this. So vertices will change slightly. Okay friends, let us find the first center. Center is very clear, 3, 1. Center is 3, 1. Center is 3, 1. And the focus for vertical ellipse, our coordinates are AE, 0 minus AE, 0. That is C0 minus C0. Here this is C 0, C 0, C and 0, minus C. Foci are 0, C. This is vertical ellipse. So here 0, C, 0, minus C, where C is equal to root of a square minus b square. C is equal to root of a square minus b square. 25 minus 4, 21. C is equal to root 21. Now our coordinates are 0. So foci I am writing the 0, root 21 and 0, minus root 21. These are the vertices of focus. 0, root 21, 0, minus root 21. We have to add the center. 3, 1, 3, 1. So now the vertices of foci are 3, 1 plus root 21 and 3, 1 minus root 21. 3, 1 plus root 21, 3, 1 minus root 21 are the vertices of foci. Okay friends, let us do one more problem. Equation of the ellipse is 9x square plus 4y square plus minus 18x minus 8y minus 23 is equal to 0. For this, the equations of the latus recta of the ellipse 9x square plus 4y square minus 18x minus 8y minus 23 is equal to 0. So now we have to find the equations of the latus recta. Okay friends, first we have to reduce this equation to the normal form, not our standard form. That is 9x square minus 18x. What to be added friends? Here 2ab is equal to minus 8 or 18x 2 into a 3x into b is equal to 18x 6x b is equal to 3, b square is equal to 9. So for first equation we have to add 9, then 4y square minus 8y, say 2ab is equal to 8y, 2 into 2y into b is equal to 8y, on 4y cancellation b is equal to 2, b square is equal to 4. So 4 is to be added, minus we have to add plus 9 plus 4. So we have to do minus 13 minus 23 is equal to 0. This is 9 into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus this is 4 into y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 36. Right friends, let us divide with 36. this becomes x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square by 4, dividing with 36, plus this is y minus 1 whole square, this is y minus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. This is clear, friends. X minus 1 whole square by 4 plus y minus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. This is our standard form. This is our standard form. But here a less than b. So this is the equation of x minus h whole square by b square plus y minus k whole square by a square is equal to 1 type, that is a vertical ellipse. That is a vertical ellipse. This is this ellipse. Now first thing, center 1 comma 1. Center 1 comma 1. And what is to be found? Find equations of the lattice vector. See, this is the equations of the lattice vector for our normal ellipse. X is equal to plus or minus a. But this is a vertical ellipse. This is a vertical ellipse, friends. So for vertical ellipse, y is equal to plus or minus be. Y is equal to plus or minus be. That is, x is equal to plus or minus ae. For this, y is equal to plus or minus b. So y is equal to plus or minus b means c. Where c is equal to root of a square minus b square. 9 minus 4, 5, root 5. C is equal to root 5. So y is equal to plus or minus root 5. Right, friends? So y is equal to plus or minus root 5. We have to add the center. So therefore the equations of the lattice vector, y is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5. That is, 1 plus root 5 is one equation, 1 minus root 5 is the another equation. That is, friends, let us do some more problems tomorrow. Thank you.